How to delete your Roblox account on mobile. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So, without wasting any of your time, let's get started. In order to delete the app, all you need to do first of all is open up the Roblox application. Now, after the Roblox application gets open, click on the option of more on the bottom of your screen and then scroll down and then simply click on the option of settings. Now, after clicking on the option of settings, all you need to do is simply click on the option of privacy and then scroll down to the very end and then simply click on the bottom option initiate. Now, after this, a page will get opened on the web browser and then scroll down and then click on the blue underlined word. Now after this a page will get open and then here you need to type your Roblox username, account, first name, email address and everything that is mentioned here. You need to write the issue details, your mobile phone, I'm writing Android phone, and then types of help category, scroll down and then simply click on data privacy requests. Now after this, here you can see on the bottom of the option of description and then here you need to list out all the issues that you are facing. Here you need to write that you have to delete your Roblox account. Now after this, click on the option of continue and within the 24 hours your account will get deleted. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Thank you.